Residents in Content and Kendal, Manchester are raising concerns about the lack of signage leading to a large body of water, which is posing a threat to the motoring public. Kimberly Peddy explains.
Stay away from this water because it is contaminated.
That firm warning from David Knight, counsel for the Walderston Division, after he witnessed firsthand the situation with the rise in water in Content and Kendal, Manchester. Contamination aside, TVJ News understands that while there are barriers set up to ward off residents from the area, the water poses a danger to motorists traversing the area for the first time. This resident explained.
That it comes up after the rain. So the point is this now, where the roads look safe. The only problem, as I said to somebody earlier on, is this saturation of the dirt, the foundation, the ground. Because I was parked, I take a friend to see Content, and he was saying that the ground could soak and get saturated and break away with us parking there so many cars.
He went further.
My concern is a little bit, about the rising of the water, because in the beginning, we only have such problem in Content. And, we were very much concerned about the resident there because it could move gradually. It's not a one thing. It's come up gradually until now. Some of the houses are completely immersed in the water.
This taxi operator says the flooding is hampering his business.
It's a huge inconvenience because if you're going to leave from Spalding, for example, to head to Williamsfield, now you just go through Content and you reach Williamsfield in no time. Now you have to go through all the way through Kendal, and trust me, the traffic is hectic. Every vehicle now divert to Kendal, so you know how the traffic is. The suffer, choke, all the long trailer, them buck you up there with the little car. You can't hardly pass sometimes, so you know it really, really hectic.
Meanwhile, Mr. Knight added that this is not the first time the communities are battling this issue, and so he and others are calling on the relevant authorities to do their due diligence. Just last Thursday, Managing Director of the Water Resources Authority, Peter Clark, gave an update on the rise in groundwater in Content during a press briefing. Mr. Clark said he is aware of the issue, which he said is caused by the overflowing, slow-moving aquifer that was exacerbated by heavy rainfall during Hurricane Melissa, and that the agency is monitoring the situation. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.